Hi, has anyone ever told you that parenting doesn't come with a manual? Well, they're wrong, and I'm here to tell you why. We've composed a 6 DVD program based on operant conditioning and observational learning to show you how to parent. The first DVD, partial reinforcement. The second, punishment. The third, negative reinforcement. The fourth, observational learning. The fifth, positive reinforcement. And last, continuous reinforcement. Let's show you how they work.
This is an example of continuous reinforcement. As you see, Hayden puts a pillow on the couch and is given an M&M. So he decides to do it again and put another pillow on the couch. He sees that every time he puts a pillow, he gets an M&M. So he continues to do it and continues to get reinforced. This is continuous reinforcement. This learning occurs very rapidly. This is an example of negative reinforcement. As you can see, Hayden is yelled at by his mother, so he begins to broom. Once he begins to broom, his mother stops yelling. This shows that the bad consequence goes away for his good behavior. This is an example of positive reinforcement. As you see, Hayden is working very hard as he studies for his test next week. His mother decides to give him an iPhone for him working so hard. This positive consequence encourages Hayden to do a good behavior. As you see, he continues to study. This is an example of observational learning. As you see, Hayden watches his big sister as she swings a golf club. He decides to model after her and do the same thing. Observational learning is where you learn by observing others. This is an example of punishment. As you see, Hayden is attached to his phone, so his mother comes over and tells him to stop using it. But he decides to ignore it and continue to use it, so his mother comes over and takes it. This negative consequence is used so the undesirable behavior will not happen. This is an example of partial reinforcement. There are 4 types, but we used fixed ratio. In this example, Hayden is drawing cups. In every first, third, and fifth time, he is reinforced.
Remember, this is only a small sample of all the great information we have to share with you. Now remember, this is based on our research with operant conditioning, which is learning based on reinforcement and punishment and observational learning. Remember, call now and get this set of DVDs for $19.99. But wait, there's more! You can get double the DVDs for the same price if you call right now. I said double! But wait, there's even more! If you call right now, I'll throw in a batch of non-ripe bananas. What a deal! Call now, 1-800-264-1879.